baby. They are saying that though, aren't they?
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Oh.
Just yesterday they were all eggs. And now two of them have hatched.
I gave them a test.
We got oh my goodness.
I gave them a test.
That is so sweet. We gotta put them back so the mom doesn't freak out. She's probably so mad at us right now for bringing them down.
Yeah.
She's worried about her babies. They're so cute.
They're so cute.
Oh.
My hat. My hat.
Alexa, skip. So we got these last night. How cute are these? And they pop, they're like, I don't know how to describe it, but as you can see, they are like soft. So cool. I couldn't resist. They were buy one, get one free, so they were half off.
And I need to tell you guys.
Okay.
A baby egg cracked.
Oh, yes. The baby eggs cracked. Like just yesterday they were eggs, and now today two little birds, huh? They look so weird, don't they? But
No,
then
they
they look
don't.
so cute when their mouths went. Oh, I couldn't tell what their bodies looked like, but then I could when they did their little beaks. That was cute, huh?
And I touched them.
Oh, so sweet.
I want to make them kiss me.
Oh, we're about to cook.
If you kiss me, I will run away.
Look how cute she looks today. So cute. Good girl. Paris. Be nice.
Mommy, that is your turn. I'm going back to you.
Okay, kick it. Alright, so TGIF, we just got done with work and I got a quick bath and we are on our way to pick Sissy up and get haircuts. So I'm excited. We're all three getting haircuts. It's hot out here, but it's supposed to, I think it's supposed to get cooler tonight. So we brought a sweater just in case, but yeah, we're gonna get haircuts today. So that'll feel good to get a little bit of a weight lifted off of our shoulders. I was thinking about going shorter, but I always regret it when I go shorter. If I'm talking weird, it's because I have my new retainers in and I haven't gotten used to them yet. But I mean, they're actually really thin, so they don't bother me that much at all, actually. It just sounds different a little bit. But yeah, we're getting haircuts. So today's Friday, thank God. And but yeah, I was thinking about going short, but I don't think I'm gonna go too short. Although it is much cooler. Having short hair is a lot cooler. But I think I'm gonna keep the length for the most part and just trim off a few inches and see how it looks. So yeah, we're excited. We are going on our trip, y'all, in just around the corner. It's coming up so soon. I'm so excited. We need this getaway really bad. It's gonna be so nice to just relax with family and enjoy ourselves and just, you know, have like a little break from work and just life in general. So I'm so excited. We are gonna start doing laundry and getting our stuff, start to get our stuff packed up this weekend and yeah, like tie up some loose ends around back Monday. So now we get to have the weekend together. Whew. Thank God. I love the weekends. Honestly, I mean, of course, everyone wishes probably that they didn't have to work, but I really wish that I could just not have to work and just hang out with my girls all day long, every day. But it's reality, so gotta make some money. But yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go get Ari. Do it again. Got a haircut. Woo-hoo. What you saying, girl?
Game.